Did you know that if you unraveled all of the DNA in your body, it would stretch about twice the diameter of the solar system? Now that's a mind-boggling fact to start your day with, isn't it? Welcome to the amazing adventures of Professor Science, the intellectual explorer who's always ready to dive into the world of scientific wonders. On this extraordinary journey, Professor Science embarks on yet another thrilling expedition, this time into the very essence of life itself, DNA. DNA, the blueprint of life, holds the instructions for making everything from bacteria to human beings. But what makes it so incredibly long and yet so compact? That's the enigma Professor Science aims to unravel. Our adventure begins in the bustling city of cells, where Professor Science, with his trusty microscope, peers into the world unseen by the naked eye. He discovers a city buzzing with activity, where the DNA, the city's blueprint, is hard at work. It directs the construction of proteins, the building blocks of cells, and regulates their functions. From the busy cityscape of cells, Professor Science journeys into the labyrinth of the DNA molecule itself. He marvels at the double helix structure, a twisted ladder that would stretch out to about 6 feet if unwound, and yet it fits into a space just about the width of a hair. Professor Science then invites us to marvel at the DNA supercoiling. Imagine a telephone cord. If you were to twist it, it would start to coil back on itself, right? That's exactly what happens with our DNA. It supercoils to fit into the tiny nucleus of a cell, a feat of nature that leaves Professor Science, and indeed all of us, in awe. The adventure doesn't end there. Professor Science then navigates the complex genetic code encrypted within the DNA. He explores how DNA sequences form genes, which in turn hold the instructions for constructing and operating a living organism. To summarize this awe-inspiring adventure, Professor Science takes us on a journey from the bustling city of cells to the intricate labyrinth of the DNA molecule. He marvels at the incredible feat of DNA supercoiling and deciphers the complex genetic code within. Through his adventures, Professor Science uncovers the marvels of DNA, showing us that even the smallest elements of life hold wonders beyond our imagination. So, the next time you ponder the complexities of life, remember you're carrying around twice the diameter of the solar system within you. That's it for today's adventure with Professor Science. Until the next time, keep your curiosity alive and remember the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.